I've coached a lot and mentored a lot of Filipinos in different walks of life. Di meron dyan akong naging estudyante. She's like extremely successful entrepreneur. Isa sa pinakakilalang brand ng water refilling station in the Philippines. She owned it. Best-selling authors, multi-millionaires. And I've co-mentored someone na minimal lang yung kinikita. Regular employees, OFW, married, single, divorced, separated. And I can see the pattern. And I'm telling you guys right now, because we love the people that we care about. Like, we love them. But if that person is not motivated, you cannot do anything about it. That is the truth. You cannot do anything about it. Kaya some people are saying, Sir Jon, why do you charge money? Here's what I'm gonna tell you guys. No investment. Tandaan nyo to guys, ha? No investment, no commitment. Can you type in below, guys? No investment, no commitment. Because as you start to sell ebooks, online courses, and program, I have to tell you, inuunahan ko na kayo. Darating yung time na mag-advertise kayo sa Facebook. People will gonna message you. Hey, if you really want to help people, why don't you give away your ebook for free? Ganyan ang mangyayari. You learn it from me. Unahan ko na kayo. Kumbaga sa gera, ako yung unang tinatamaan ng bala, ako yung unang binabanatan. Sabihin nila, why would I pay you? Nasa YouTube na, nasa internet na and all. That is true. We're not saying na hindi naman totoo yun. Totoo yun. Then, go ahead. But hindi mo gawin. But hindi mo implement because wala silang commitment. Now, once naglabas sila ng pera, magkakaroon ng shift sa utak nila. Right? For you guys, it's the same thing. Oh my God, nag-invest ako dito. I have to make this happen. I have to make it work because you've invested something. Now, you've proven to yourself, not to me. You've proven to yourself that, okay, I'm committed with this. Now, you are forced to what? You are forced to take action. Exactly. Earn and learn. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.